Hello and welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry cheesecake milkshake. That's very low in calories, very high in protein, and very filling. And it's going to make probably around 5-6 cups. So to get started, what you're going to want is almond milk, unsweetened. Only 30 calories. You're going to use 65 grams of this unsweetened almond milk. And that comes out to just under a half a cup. Again, I'm using a food scale, weigh everything, so definitely invest in a food scale if you haven't already. Again, you can buy these anywhere from 10 to 15 bucks. They're fairly cheap, so. But if you don't have a food scale, you can do just under a half a cup for the almond milk. Second, I will be using non-fat Greek yogurt, plain, 90 calories per serving. And we're going to be doing 85 grams. So 85 grams, just about under about 45 calories for this. About 85. Next, I'll be using sugar-free Mrs. Butterworth. 10 calories every 2 tablespoons. And you're going to want to put in 30 grams. 30 grams of the Mrs. Butterworth. Make sure you're using sugar-free to keep it low calorie. And if you don't have a food scale, that's going to be just a little bit over half of a quarter of a cup. Next, you gotta have xanthan gum. Xanthan gum or guar gum, you can use either one. I went with the xanthan gum. This is what's gonna expand it. It's gonna give it the fluffy air. But this is what it makes it really, gives it the volume. So you gotta have the xanthan gum. And with the xanthan gum, we're going to use about 3 grams. You can go a little bit more. You can go 3 to be safe, 4, 5. It's going to expand it. It's going to give it that volume. So if you put in a little bit more than 3 grams, you got 4, you got 5, no big deal. Sugar-free syrup, you like it sweeter, you can put in as much as you want. Sweetener, calorie-free, stevia, Splenda. We're gonna put in 3 grams. And again, you can add as much as you want. It's not gonna hurt it. Depends on how sweet you like it. If you like it sweeter, put in more. And then lastly, we're gonna use Jello cheesecake pudding, sugar-free, fat-free. And this is only 25 calories per serving. And we're only gonna use one serving, 7 grams. If you want a little bit more, put a little bit more. Alright, so that's all your ingredients. So, again, 65 grams almond milk, 85 grams fat-free Greek yogurt. Oh, again, lastly, we're going to add 47 grams, or about a cup and a half of protein. Alright, and I'm using R1. I'm using strawberry and cream. And this is going to make it with the cheesecake. And this, it's going to make it taste like a strawberry cheesecake. So, actually, go two scoops. And it's not going to hurt it. You want to do 1 scoop, scoop and a half. It's going to add a lot more protein. You're going to add a little bit more calories, but it's going to make it very filling, way more protein. So now we got 48 grams of protein just from the protein powder. And that is the last thing other than adding some ice. But now that we added that, so we got 65 grams almond milk, 85 grams Greek yogurt, 1 scoop, 47 grams of protein powder, 3 grams xanthan guar, just make sure it's one of these xanthan gum, 3 grams stevia, and then you will want 7 grams of a sugar-free Jello pudding mix. And then you want to use about a cup and a half of ice. Again, you can't add, I mean, you could add 2 cups of ice if you want. It's going to expand it. So we'll do probably a cup and a half of ice. Then I'm going to blend this up, come back, show you what it looks like, and I'll break down the macros for you. When doing this, I did add another cup and a half, so I did 3 cups of ice in this. Blend it for about a minute and a half, low speed. Take it off, make sure you're pushing it off, pushing it down on the sides. If you got a Ninja blender, you can use, you know, any blender you want, but the Ninja is probably going to work the best for this. But about halfway through, after doing that, make sure you push down the sides, and then you're going to want to blend it for a little bit longer. And this is what it's coming out to already. Now it's a little thicker. If you want it less thick, add some more almond milk. You could probably add another cup of almond milk. Make it more like a liquidy, and it'd only add you another 30 calories if you want to add another cup of almond milk. Alright, so I went ahead and added another cup of almond milk to make it a little bit more liquidy. very fluffy. And it made about just under 7 cups. And again, if you don't like strawberry, you don't have to do this with strawberry. You could do this with chocolate. Get a sugar-free chocolate. You like vanilla, do it with vanilla. So you can do it with vanilla pudding, you can do it with chocolate pudding if you're not like strawberry, but with the strawberry protein and the cheesecake, it gives it like a strawberry cheesecake flavor. It's very good if you like strawberry cheesecake. Very low in calorie. Very filling. Eat this whole thing and you're gonna be filled up. It's gonna crave your sweet, it's gonna help the cravings with your sweet tooth and help you stay lean and fill you up when you're trying to stay lower in calories. So I'm gonna give you the breakdown here. And the breakdown on this is 415 calories altogether, 33 carbs, 7.8 grams of fat, and 58.5 grams of protein. So if you eat this whole thing, you're getting almost 60 grams of protein in this. So I went ahead and added another cup, did about a cup and a half, 45 calories for the almond milk, 45 calories for the non-fat Greek yogurt, 40 calories for the no sugar added syrup, sugar-free Mrs. Butterworth, 260 calories for the protein, and that might vary on the different kind of proteins. Each scoop was 130 calories. I put in 2 scoops. And then only 25 calories for the cheesecake mix. So altogether, makes about 7 cups. You're getting 415 calories for this whole thing. It's going to fill you up. It's going to give you tons of protein, very low in fat, very sweet. It's going to help crave, you know, when you're craving that sweet stuff and you want to eat something that's going to keep you low calorie, this kind of stuff's going to do it for you. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos. Here's the end result. And you guys have a great day.